I am J. Suresh Babu, working as Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department in our college. As a part of Seed Fund project, our students did design and fabrication of multi-purpose eco-friendly cleaning machine. Cleaning is the main basic need for all human beings as a part of routine process. Our project is design and fabrication is collecting the dust and materials. It is useful for home as well as railway station as well as bus station in our campus also. Cleaning is the major role for all organizations. This is the eco-friendly dust cleaning machine. I sincerely thanks to our Seed Fund project students and also very gratitude to our management, principal or HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department. I congratulate to our Seed Fund project students and also very thankful to our beloved management as well as principal with our mechanical HOD.
Hi everyone, we are doing a project in our college. Our project name is Eco-Friendly Dust Cleaning Mission. The main aim of this project is without pollution to clean the floors. Cleaning has become a basic need for all human beings and it is unavoidable daily routine process. It is mostly used in railway stations, bus stands, colleges, etc. There is no need any fuel and electrical energy. So it is a
main components is wheels, frame, collector bin, brush, chain drive, shaft, gear, handle, base frame, supporting frame. Wheel. A wheel is a circular block of a hard and durable material at whose center has been bored a circle hole through which is placed an axle bearing about which the wheel rotates when a movement is applied by making together. Brush. The cleaning brush is located in between the wheels which are rotating. It is connected by the chain drive system. When the wheels are rotated, then it is also start to rotate, and it's made of polymer plastic. It is a little hard plastic. Gear pair is used to increase or reduce the speed of the shaft. It consists of pass cylinder or disc with protecting rapidly. There are various types of gear available in the market, but we are used.
Previously, my friends explained about the introduction, components, and now I am going to tell about the working procedure of eco-friendly dust cleaning machine. Eco-friendly dust cleaning machine is a type of machine in which we don't use any type of fuels in it. So that's why we call it as eco-friendly dust cleaning machine. It is operated purely by human power. When a person pushes it, it moves forward due to the chain mechanism present in it. The brush present in it, it is connected with the chain drive mechanism. Due to the rotation of the wheels, the brushes also rotates. Due to the rotation of the wheels, the dust present in front of the wheels, it throws the dust into the collector bin. This is the process of dust cleaning machine.
Previously, my friend explained about the procedure and components of the project. Now I am explaining advantages and disadvantages. Advantages is it is effortless dust cleaning and it can use 24 hours a day, and we can do not pollute the environment, and it is a portable machine. Portable means to transport one place to another place. Disadvantage is one person must want to operate this machine, and it cannot clean at a high speed, and applications is it is used in industries, hospitals.
My topic is conclusion.
The manual road and floor cleaner is successfully designed and fabricated. This project work implements the manual operated eco-friendly road cleaner for road cleaning that reducing the human effects as well as time. It is best alternative for automated road cleaning machine during power crisis, and it is found that road cleaning machine works with human simple effect. Manual cleaning causes shoulder problem due to continuous sweeping. That's why it is need to make such type of machine which make easy the work and reduce the time.